clips I've taken over the week. Also, last weekend was Labor Day weekend, and my great aunts came down and saw my grandma, which would be their sister. So here's those clips as well. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, you guys. I don't know if I've already said good morning, but I'm saying it now. I am still in a onesie, and you will see me more in a onesie now because it is getting chillier out, so I can wear them outside, and it's not a problem. Me and Daisy are just gonna stay in the garage most likely a little bit today because it's kind of a yucky day out today. It's raining, it's cold, it's just yucky out. And she actually prefers to be in here anyways because the only time she gets balls, like a ball, here, let me just show you where we keep them, or where I keep them. I keep them in this drawer right here, all of these nice balls. She gets to play with in the garage, not outside because she did hurt her leg a while back, and they didn't want her playing with balls or straining that leg more. So that's the only time she gets them. I just kind of hang out, listen to music. We do have a TV out here, so I could watch some TV. But like I said, I just hang out with her. So let's go grab her, and we'll give her some balls. Or she might even come over here and just grab them out herself. I don't know. I'll leave the door open and see what she does. But let's go grab her. She is. Well, let's go look for her real quick. Daisy! I don't want you guys to get wet, so I'm just gonna go look for her, and then I'll let you know if I find her. Okay. So I found her. She was with Grandpa up at the shop. He spoils Daisy too much. Actually, we all do. Don't we, Daisy? Do we spoil you? Are you a spoiled puppy? Yeah, you're spoiled. You're good. You're good. Again, one of the main reasons me and Daisy are actually just hanging out in the garage is because it's raining out and there's not much you can do when it's raining outside. I mean, there is, but like, who wants to be cold and wet? Not me. And Daisy was already this morning trying to get in the garage and stay in the garage. And she enjoys playing in here, so that's why we're in here. I also brought her dog food in because then she can eat some if she needs to. That's what she's doing right now. Good morning, it's about almost 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower. Okay, I'll see you after my shower. And I'm out of the shower. I'm here, frizzy and dry. Okay, we are now in the garage with Daisy, and I actually came out, and she was already out here, and the door was open. So we're gonna have to start locking the door again, because Daisy tries to open it. But with that being said, I did go outside. It is pretty chilly. I wasn't out there real long, but I lost my brown Carhartt hat already, and I'm not very happy with myself. And I'm actually gonna ask my mom if she knows where it is, because I was wearing it when I was with her, and I thought it was out in the garden, but it wasn't there. So, yeah. So I'm just rocking, Daisy's eating, and also going to play with some balls, aren't you, Daisy? You gonna play with some balls? She's currently eating. Right, so for whatever reason, I did not end up showing you my outfit yesterday. But I talked about it multiple times, except I clipped those parts of the videos out, so you won't see, yeah. But at the end of the night, I ended up wearing this, which is another onesie. Today we are Eeyore. Let me show you. Maybe. Oh, my glasses fell off. See, we're Eeyore. We're Eeyore. But, yeah. So, that's what I'm wearing today. Today is Thursday, so I'm supposed to film, but I'm going to give you this video. Also, the next clips you'll be seeing is from Labor Day weekend, which my great aunts came down, like I said before, but you'll be seeing it right after this clip. So, yeah, let's go to that.
Let's get ready for our picture.
Hello.
Mary, turn around and say hello to the
Hello.
Grandma wave.
vlog. You get
Yeah, get in order.
Say hello. Mary. Hat wave.
You get closer to Gloria.
Wave. Say hello.
Hello. Hello, Maddie.
If you're not already, please subscribe. If you enjoy this video, share it, comment, do all the things. With that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing night, whatever it is. I hope you make it amazing. Bye, guys.